Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Market Trends. Today in this video I shall be discussing with you about what trades I took for the previous week, that is from 17th of August to that of 21st of August. So let's get started. As you can see in front of your screen is ICICI Bank chart with a time frame of 15 minutes. This was basically an intraday call that I took based both on trading line and which was supported with a RSI indicator as well as MACD indicator. Over here, although the role of MACD indicator was not much, but I was quite reluctant to take this based on the trend line that formulated over here. Anyways, if you see over here, I made a buy call entry at around 356, exiting long before that of the uptrend movement at 363. Now why I exited over here before the uptrend move had finished was that I felt it uncomfortable to carry on with it and I exited long before it. As well as the RSI indicator indicated it to be in the upside of the overbought zone, and from which I found I figured out I could figure out that a downtrend can be expected sometime soon, so it would be wise enough to exit from it, and henceforth I exited from it. So it was basically a short call and I made a decent profit from it. Apart from that, there was another trade that I took, and on the same day, that is 17th August itself. On this day I took another trade of basically this was the first one that I took. So the trade was entered at the stock that I preferred was that of Bajaj Auto Limited. I made a short intraday buy call at rupees 3020 with a short profit margin, and this was based on both the trend line as well as RSI indicator with MACD indicator. So I made this and I took an exit in the downfall side of approximately 3085. Approximately when it reached 3085 on the downside, I said that no, it's not good enough to continue further, and whatever loss is being incurred is incurred, but it is wise enough to exit from this stock at the moment. So I exited at that moment itself. Anyways, these were the two calls, one from ICICI Bank and the other from Bajaj Auto Limited. These were the two trades that I took on 17th, and whereas I skipped that of 18th, but on 19th I again carried it, and this time it was Reliance Industries Limited. I entered approximately at 2135 points, and this was based both on trend line and RSI. I made an entry over here with the intention to carry it further, having a scope of going marginally up. Although I carried it up to a great extent, but unfortunately later on it started moving down, so I had to exit it at approximately 2150. So with the expectation that it will further go in downtrend, I made an exit from it, making a decent profit of approximately entering at 2135 to that of 2150. So this was a short trade and I made some decent profit in it. And by the way, this was a buy call in intraday trade. And now comes the next one, that was 21st, wherein I took a trade, and the company was that of Maruti Suzuki India Limited. Over here, I took a sell call, short sell. I did short selling over here based on the RSI indicator and followed by the MACD indicator. I made an entry at approximately 7025, and just before that of the uptrend movement, I made an exit way before at the rate of 6980 itself, with a short call making a decent profit in it. Although the indicator RSI indicator indicated me that it can further go in downtrend, but I wanted to be safe over here, so I exited from over here. So this was what were the trades I took for the week. As I mentioned, on 17th I took two trades, one of ICICI Bank and the other of Bajaj Auto Limited. Whereas on 19th I took a Reliance Industries Limited, and on 21st I took Maruti Suzuki India Limited as my trades. So in all total, there were only 4 trades carried on in intraday for the week. Apart from that, in long trades, if you talk about, I had I had a lot of Marico Limited which I sold off for the week, but yeah, that was a long call and it was something derailing from a decent amount of time. So henceforth that was also been sold in the previous week. Anyways, I hope you like this video, and if you did like the video and haven't yet subscribed my channel, do subscribe my channel. At the same time, click on the bell icon for timely updates. I would also request you to click on the like button, because it not only does it motivates me to come up with new content and more videos, but it also it helps my videos to rank better in YouTube. So yeah, and in the end I would like to also request you to share this channel as much as possible. I have to come up with another video very soon. Till then, take care and bye bye.